Aily Group is a high-tech company that specializes in digital printing technology, offering comprehensive solutions for digital printing processes and technologies. Since its establishment in 2014, Aily Group has been known for its innovative approach and commitment to proactive, win-win relationships with its clients. The company's product line includes UV flatbed printers, UV hybrid printers, eco solvent printers, sublimation printers, laminators, DTF printer inks, and more. In addition to their headquarters in China, Aily Group has expanded its reach to various parts of the world. In 2016, they established an overseas branch in Nigeria and a factory specializing in the production of small UV flat patch printers in Dongguan. Over the years, the company has continued to grow, and they have recently opened a new office in Miami to provide technical service and support to their clients in the Americas. Aily Group's Miami office will serve as a hub for their operations in the region. With agents and customers in more than 30 countries around the world, the company has a wide footprint, and the Miami office will allow them to better serve their clients in the Americas. The office will also provide technical support and after-sales service to their clients, ensuring that they receive a satisfactory product and service. The company is committed to maintaining their high standards of quality and service. They have a complete quality inspection system and strict packaging standards to ensure that every customer receives a reliable and satisfactory product. Aily Group's ingenious management, high precision, faster speed, strong stability, and perfect machine quality have won them unanimous praise from users worldwide. In conclusion, Aily Group is a well-known brand in UV printers, injector printers, thermal transfer printers, laminating machines, inks, and DTF printer inks. With their new Miami office and technical service offerings, they are poised to continue providing good quality and service to their clients, making the world and life more colorful.